Himalaya Wellness Company's new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Tumkuru, near Bengaluru, is an important milestone for the company. A current good manufacturing practice, CGMP-compliant formulation unit. The new facility sprawls across 40 acres of land with a total built-up area of 296,000 square feet, meeting global standards. The formulation unit is a purpose-built infrastructure, hosting production, utility, and warehouse blocks. With innovation capabilities, Himalaya is manufacturing herbal pharmaceutical products like Liv52 DS tablets, Liv52 syrup, Cystone tablets, Pilex tablets, and Septalin tablets in this facility. The facility is designed for zero discharge. The recycled treated water from the effluent treatment plant is used for boiler and cooling tower purposes. Additionally, to achieve our global sustainability goals and our net zero vision, we are generating over 95% of the power requirements through renewable energy sources like solar and wind by commissioning an off-site hybrid power plant and installing solar rooftop panels generating 854 kilowatt units of electricity. Furthermore, the Tumkuru facility runs 100% on LED lights. The commissioning of the new facility reflects Himalaya's legacy of creating safe and effective products through sustainable innovation and promotes Himalaya's mission of bringing wellness in every home and happiness in every heart.